Really? You can buy a licensed Batmobile there? That's kind of cool. Alright, I'm going to show you all something that's going to horrify you, terrify you, and make you wonder, now how does that happen? Wish I had that kind of disposable income. I'm gonna leave you all mystified, stupefied, and just, in general, scratching your head. Let's just put that there. Press that button. And there we go. Gold star for anyone who can tell me what this connector is. Let's see if we can get a better angle of it. There it is. What connector is that? Something's wrong there. Like, I'll give you a little hint. It says what it is right there. Something looks wrong, right? Somehow this kid wanted to remove his Wi-Fi card. And when he decided to do that, he took the whole socket with it. Look, don't open your computer if you don't know what you're doing. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, no judgment. But if you don't know what you're doing, don't open your computer. Because there's a good chance you'll do more harm than good. Hey, thanks for watching that video. You can check out some of the other videos for more tech-related content. And if you want to catch me live, I am on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, chat, and maybe learn a thing or two.